What's up guys, you're watching The Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 5 error. The error is WV-109144-9, unable to connect to the server. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we are at this screen, and network, view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get this error. You firstly check the server. If the server is not working, then please wait. Sony will fix this up automatically. You just select your own region. And if the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem. Go forget the old one and connect a new one and go to the advanced settings. Here you go to the DNS settings to 8.8.8.8. and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4, MTU setting 1500. Okay, done. If you're using a LAN cable, do a same settings and then come back and you simply just connect and restart your router and it will be fixed. So that's how that simply you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.